everyone, I'm Neha, your happiness coach. Well, today I'm going to tell you 5 things that if you understand is more than enough, and then you have cracked for yourself the mantra for happiness for life. Well, these are things that are totally not in our control. We have absolutely zero control, but we always keep worrying and running behind it and spoiling our mind health and everything practically behind it. So let me just quickly jump into it. The very first thing, opinions of other people about you. Is it really in our control? Do you think whatever you do, that opinion is going to change? Or if you are at the best of yourself and that opinion is going to change? Whatever and how much ever you do, those opinions are going to keep coming in irrespective how you are. So you have absolutely no control on it. So just overlook and move on. Let those things not bother you. The second point, whatever happens, people will gossip about you, right? They would say things that you have not done, that you are not the person that you are. But again, is it under our control? No, right? So then there's no point putting all your mind and might and get stressed about it, lower your BP or high your BP and unnecessarily get worried, right? So please don't bother of all the gossip that people, grapevine, what you call it, people come and tell you that, oh, she said something like this about you, oh, he was talking like that about you. Let that he and she be. As long as that is not coming to you directly on your face, it shouldn't be a matter of concern for you because it's not under your control. Third point is, if you are having people who don't understand how much you've done for them or how much you care for them, if they've always misunderstood you and they really don't care of what you've been doing for them, it's no point. It's not going to make them understand how much ever you try, you say, you tell them that no, please understand, they're not going to understand. So no point running behind that again where you have no control, irrespective of whatever you do with all your might from head to toe for them, they are not going to understand. So let's just have it aside, leave it and move on. The next point is, there will always be people around you who will never be happy with your growth. I'm sure we have this feeling a lot more these days with the social media coming in. If you have a problem, if you don't want people to be negatively, thinking about you, let's propagate yourself, is always that I tell them. Why do you want to go show off, talk to people, tell them, oh, I've done this, I've bought this, I've done. When that being the case, when you get the negativity from them, because there will always be people who will, they'll always be jealous. That negativity will come to you. But is that under your control again? No. So if you have a problem or if you have people around you who are jealous or who are not happy with your growth, they will always be there. Your option, your choice is not to get worried about it because you have no control on what they are thinking or what they are doing. Your idea is to just come out, have your peace, have your mind, understand that this is not under your control and just to move on with your life and have a positive mindset so that you can go on. And the last point is, how much ever you are talking to someone in a very straight, clear format, you can be misunderstood. And then explaining that to certain people is not going to be easy. They will never understand because if they have an image about you in their head of what you could do, and certain people are very stringent. See, it is always this concept when you're being misunderstood by someone. I always say, if I'm showing you a glass of water, if it is half full or half empty, right? I can look at it as half full, you can look at it as half empty. So that's a perspective. So if that person is having a perspective about you wherein, no, I only have to think otherwise of what the person is saying, you have absolutely no control. You cannot save yourself from being misunderstood. So that's absolutely that you can do nothing about all these 5 things that I spoke to you. So no point sitting back and stressing about it, thinking about it, spoiling your health, spoiling your time and thinking that you can set these things right. No, because all of these things are in somebody else's control. We should always be worried about what we can do to ourselves and how we can better ourselves and be happy, right? I hope this thought kind of got you there, and now you're not going to be worrying so much about all the worldly things and things that you don't have a control on, and just be positive, have that thing going, be worried about of what you can do, of what you have a control on, how happy you can keep your own self, and how you can work on your own self on things that you feel can make you the best version of yourself. Do let me know how this video clicked with you. Until then, it's me, Neha, saying bye.